Hello everyone, I'm Himangi Kapadia.
And I am Ananya Pathak,
We are from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ahmedabad, Kent.
studying in 11C.
Warm welcome to you in our project on Chhattisgarh.
On the occasion of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat.
We are here to give you some information about Chhattisgarh.
But first of all, some facts about Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh is one of the 28 states of India which was formed on 1st November 2000 and was earlier part of its neighboring state, Madhya Pradesh.
The ancient name of Chhattisgarh is Dakshin Kaushal.
The first Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh was Ajit Jogi of Indian National Congress.
This state is the third source of steel and electricity in India, accounting for 15% of total steel production of India.
The official language of the state is Hindi. Odia, Marathi, Telugu also spoken.
It shares borders with 7 states: Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Jharkhand.
India's biggest waterfall, Chitrakoot waterfall, is situated in Bastar, Chhattisgarh.
The highest peak of this state is Beladila Range in Dantewada district with an altitude of 1,276 meters.
Chhattisgarh accounts of 70% of Telugu leaves production.
Chhattisgarh has 3 national parks and 11 wildlife sanctuaries, making it one of the most important contributors to flora and fauna of India.
Territory of the Hayaya dynasty of Ratanpur foundation about 750.
The film industry of Chhattisgarh is known as Chollywood. Here generally locally produced films are made.
We want to show you some beautiful pictures of Chhattisgarh
so that you can understand the unique and diverse culture of Chhattisgarh. Our first question is, who is the current Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh? Options are Nitish Kumar, Bhupesh Baghel, Shivraj Chauhan, and none of these.
Option second, Bhupesh Baghel.
Yes, your answer is correct. Bhupesh Baghel is an Indian politician serving as third and current Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh.
Second question. How much total number of districts in Chhattisgarh? Options 20, 24, 28, 18.
The answer is 28.
Yes, your answer is correct. Chhattisgarh consists of 28 districts.
Question 3. What is the population of Chhattisgarh according to 2011 census? Options are 1.26 crores, 2.44 crores, 2.51 crores, and 2.56 crores.
The correct answer is 2.56 crores.
Yes. As per the details from Census 2011, Chhattisgarh has population of 2.56 crores.
Question 4. What is the literacy rate of Chhattisgarh in 2011? Options 70.28%, 73.46%, 74.36%, or none of this.
Option first, 70.28%.
Yes, your answer is correct. Literacy rate in Chhattisgarh has seen update trend in is 70.28% as per 2011 population census.
Question 5. Which of the following is state bird of Chhattisgarh? Options are house sparrow, flamingo, common hill myna, and great hornbill.
The answer is common hill myna.
Yes, your answer is correct. The state bird of Chhattisgarh is common hill myna.
Question 6. What is the Chhattisgarh area rank in India? Options 22nd, 9th, 4th, 18th.
The correct answer is 9th rank.
Yes, your answer is correct. It is the 9th largest state in India, with area of 1,35,192 km square.
Question 7. Which is the state tree of Chhattisgarh? Options are eastern hemlock, mango tree, neem tree, and sal tree.
Option 4, Sal tree.
Yes, your answer is correct. Sal tree is the state tree of Chhattisgarh, which is also known as Sakwa tree.
Question 8. Total number of Lok Sabha seats in Chhattisgarh. Options 11, 33, 22, or 4.
The answer is 11.
Yes, your answer is correct.
Question 9. Who is the current governor of Chhattisgarh? Options are Acharya Devvrat, Kalraj Mishra, Anusuya Uke, and none of these.
The correct answer is Anusuya Uke.
Yes, your answer is correct. Anusuya Uke is the governor of Chhattisgarh. India is a country with unique culture and traditions.
In India, people with various lifestyle, languages, and so on.
We have presented some part of the diverse culture and tradition of India through the state of Chhattisgarh.